Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung monitor no sound. If you fix the problem, then you have few options for that. First, run a sound test if applicable. Some monitor models come with a remote and work more like a TV. These models typically include a sound test, which can be found by selecting support, then self-diagnosis, and then sound test. If the sound test passes, service is not required, but the following steps may help resolve the issue. If the sound test fails, visit your support center to request service. In the second option, check the volume settings on the monitor. Using the monitor controls, increase the volume and try to hear the audio again. The volume may have been too low or muted. In the third step, check to see if the source device supports the HDMI 2.0 standard. If it does not support it, you will need to change the input port version on the monitor. Please use the following steps to change it. The input port version on the monitor can be changed by going into the menu. From there, select Settings, then Input Port Version. Select version 1.4. The fourth option is to check the volume and settings on the monitor's connected device like a laptop. Make sure the audio is not muted and then attempt to adjust the volume until it's high at a high settings. The fifth option is to unplug and reconnect all the cables at both ends and make sure they are work. The sixth option, try to play sound with the same device using something instead of your monitor. The seventh option is to play sound on your monitor from something else using the same port. Find another device to connect to your monitor using the same type of connection and a cable that works. If your monitor can play audio from any other device using the same port as the first device, then the monitor is not the cause of the issue. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.